Hello. In this session, you'll learn how to force copy in Google Docs and upload it to assignment in Canvas. First thing you need to do is you need to go to a new tab, type in docs.google.com. This will take you to Google Docs. I like to have my information already ready before I upload it to Canvas. So for our purposes today, we're going to use Essay. It's a pre-created template on cells. I want my students to create a document on cells but follow this template. I do not want them to go in and mess up my original, so I'm going to make them make a forced copy of the document, which means that as soon as they click in the document, it forces them to make a new copy of it, leaving my original document intact. I'm going up to the address bar, and if you notice at the very end of the address bar, it says edit. Click on that, backspace the word edit out, and type in the word copy. As soon as you click enter, it says, would you like to make a copy of Essay? Yes, that's exactly what I want to do. I don't want to mess up Google's original. I want to make a copy, and I also want my students to have to copy this document as well. So I'm going to click make a copy. So it gives them directions, put this. So instead of Miss Wendy, it's going to be my name. And I may say that this is for my second period class, so I'm going to do a little editing. I'm going to go here. I'm going to type in the word copy. I'm going to copy this URL because this is exactly what I want my students to do. I want to make sure that everything else is kind of the same. Yes, I want cell anatomy, cell structure. I want them to use the picture, put their name, perfect. Now I'm going to toggle back over to Canvas. In Canvas, I'm going to go to assignments. This is going to be an assignment for my students. I'm going to have them create a new assignment, so plus assignment. So I put a title. I'm going to type in some directions. That is, I control V, so I pasted my Google Doc assignment called copy, so when they click it, it will make them copy. I have my directions. I can also, if I wanted to, record and upload media. I can add an external tool if that was the case, a video or something to give them more information. For our purposes, we've already learned about this, and this is my assessment piece. Points, I'm going to make sure that this is worth 100 points. I have percentage. I may want to just give it a letter grade or a point grade, whatever you like. In external tools, I'm going to find the external tool. So when I scroll in, of course, I want a Google Doc, but do you notice that you can add a book creator, you can add Discovery Ed, a Flipgrid, Flowcabulary, but for our purposes, I want Google Docs assignment. It's going to say what link resource from an external tool do you want them to have, and it was called Essay, so I'm just going to type in Essay, make my life a little easier. Copy of Essay, submit, select. So that's the type of external tool I want them to do that copy link. I'm going to assign this to everyone. This may be due tomorrow, and I want it available from this date to the same date tomorrow. And when I'm finished, I'm going to press Save and Publish. So, what you'll notice in my assignment, here is the template, but I've also embedded it for them so that there are no questions on what assignment am I talking about. So they have the actual assignment embedded and they have the link to the assignment. Now you know how to force copy using Google Docs.